I cut my toe on the curb,
Yeah, exactly.
and I had glasses on, and so that's why my face is all cut up.
Oh my God, too embarrassing. Hurts the ego probably more than.
Well, I was alone,
No,
so
sorry.
nobody saw it. And then I walked upstairs to my apartment with my dress on my face. I'm like, I fell and cut myself, and like blood is gushing into my eye.
Oh my God. All right, face up. Let's see the neck. Blood gushing. Wow. That's what we're here for. We put you guys back together. You guys do the Humpty Dumpty. Or the Humpty Dump. Do the dance.
Mhm.
Dump.
Oh.
It's old school.
Yep.
You want to do the Y strap or you good?
No, Y strap.
Y strap it is. Y strap it is.